Yeah. Right. Yes.
Hmm. Take out exercise 2.2. The next exercise.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you read the question for me?
Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients.
Hmm. So this one. First is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Right? First write this. We are gonna be finding out the zeros of it. Okay? How? How? Let's say I'm explaining it. Listen to me carefully. Let's say this is the A part, right, Abdul? So
Yeah.
it says x square minus 2x minus 8. What is A here? Can you tell me? What is A?
1.
Hmm?
1.
Yes, good. What is B?
2.
Minus 2. Okay.
Yeah.
What is C?
Minus 8.
Yes, good. So you have understood how to recognize A, B, and C. Now this will be very helpful to us because now we are gonna factorize this polynomial first, and after that we are gonna be finding out the zeros. Okay. So let us
Yeah.
talk about x square minus 2x minus 8 all equal to 0. Okay. So we are gonna be
Yeah.
using is split the middle term method. What method is split the middle term? How are we gonna solve it? How are we gonna solve it? We are basically multiplying A and C, okay, and then we have to find two factors such that after multiplying we get AC and after adding we get minus B. I mean we get B. Okay, whatever is there.
Yeah.
यानी कि मल्टीप्लाई होकर मेरा क्या है ए कितना है ए इज 1 सी इज -8 है ना
Yeah.
एंड प्लस करके मेरा कितना है -2 है ना ऐसे दो नंबर्स जो मल्टीप्लाई करके मुझे -8 दे एंड प्लस करके एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग एडेड दे विल बी गिविंग मी -2 व्हाट आर दीज टू नंबर्स लेट्स से shall I try with 4 and 2
I
first
don't
one
understand.
what
I don't understand what you just wrote.
so why did you say yes just a bit before when I was writing this
No, I get like we have to multiply A and C. So do we write them like who do we multiply B with?
yeah tell me which step you are not getting don't say you are not getting anything okay
No, no, I'm getting that.
which
Like
step
you're saying, we have to
hmm
say that what is this
hmm
called? I understood that you are saying A and C we have to multiply.
hmm after that acha so you are not getting this part multiply करके ये आना चाहिए plus करके आना चाहिए right है ना
Yeah,
so specify this na
yeah,
यहाँ I'm asking about this okay so I was saying after multiplying two numbers any two numbers I should be getting -8 okay and these two numbers only after getting added should give me -2 okay this is
okay,
how we go ahead with this approach in this method okay all
yeah,
right yes
yeah,
so what can those two numbers be so that after getting multiplied they both are gonna give me -8 and after getting added they both are gonna give me -2 can I try with the 4 and 2 or more like
yeah,
-4 and 2 because 4 twos are 8. Minus is there, so minus 8. Correct, Abdul?
Yeah.
And these two numbers I need to add such that they give me this b minus 2. Okay? So minus 4 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2 minus 4 plus 2. Don't you think it will give me minus 2? Hai na? Because minus plus
Yeah.
minus and the sign is negative.
Minus.
Hai na? Integers I have told you already. Correct?
Yeah.
Understood? So the two factors we have figured out is minus 4 and 2 because they are going with both the conditions. They are going along with both the conditions, hai na? After
Yeah.
getting multiplied, these two are giving me minus 10, and after getting added, these two are giving me minus 2. Hai na? Correct?
Yeah.
So now what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? See, this I have written. I am gonna split this middle term. As the method says, split middle term method. We are gonna split this middle term minus 2x into these two factors I have just now figured out. Hai na? One was minus 4, one was plus 2, correct? So I am going to be writing this
Yeah.
in the form of that only. So can you see minus 2 here, Naina? Because I have split this term. See, split this term into minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Rest of the thing is as it is. But instead of the middle term, I have written it like this. Minus 4x plus 2x. Okay?
I
Is that
I do
clear?
understand.
Which one? Which part?
The x square is equals to 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0.
Huh. How have I written this one? After figuring out the factors.
Yeah.
After figuring out the factors which are minus 4 and plus 2, correct?
Minus 4 is A.
Minus 4 is not A or B or C. These are not there. A, B, and C is written in the original polynomial. These are the factors we have figured out with the conditions which is mentioned. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to split the middle term. So what is the use of these two numbers? These are going to be useful after splitting the middle these two terms. Okay. Minus 2x ko I can write minus 4x plus 2x, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 will give me 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, after that, we are gonna listen to this step carefully. We are gonna take common. हम इनको दो parts में we are gonna dividing it. ठीक है? After that, we are gonna be taking common.
Yeah.
Common means which is the variable or the number or the sign which is present to both the terms. Okay, I can see it is also having how many x's? It is having two x's, right? X into x. Only that gives me x
Yeah.
square. Right, Abdul Rahman? Now, x square
Yeah.
minus 4x. X square minus 4x. That means both are having at least one x.
Yeah.
So I can take that as common. I am taking it out of the bracket. So inside the bracket, what is left? This one is left with 1x only because 1x I have already taken out. And this 4 is left because
Yeah.
x again I have taken out. Okay? Common wala understood? Common I have taken out of the bracket. Okay?
Yeah.
Here I can see both are getting divided by 2. Both comes in the table of 2. Correct? This 2 into 1x. So I have written x minus minus 2 into 4. 4 is common. Okay? I have taken out 2 out of the
Ma'am, can
bracket.
you
Correct?
explain it in more detail? Getting confused. Like,
Hmm?
can you explain in more detail? I'm getting confused.
Bache, because you haven't studied in ninth this chapter now. That is why you are getting confused. Because this exact chapter is there in class ninth, and I guess you haven't studied that, right? The same method, the same approach. Still, I'm teaching you in detail. Which step is you are not getting? Tell me. This is basic multiplication. This one is basic
Yes, okay.
multiplication. I have
The
simply
thing you just fully explained is like very confusing.
which one? Which step? Tell me. I can repeat that.
The overall sum.
From where?
From the minus 4. No, x square is equals to 4x plus 2. X is minus
From
8 is
here.
equals to 0.
From here. From this part, now.
No, on the top.
This one.
Yeah, yeah,
Arey, just now
yeah,
I have explained na कि minus 4x plus 2x I have written it because I have figured out these two factors. है ना? Minus 4, 2. I have simply applied x with them. Okay, why? Why? So that I can split the middle term. So that I can write minus 2 in this form. Okay, with x. Understood? So this will be
yeah,
minus 4x plus 2x. Then rest of the things I have continued with this only. Okay, 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0. Understood? Now, if you see clearly, x minus 4, both are the same thing, है ना?
yeah,
I can write it as 1x minus 4. Now I have x plus 2, x and plus 2. This is another factor. Okay? Now if we are getting two factors, how am I gonna get find the zeros? How am I gonna get find the zeros? I am simply gonna equate them with 0. So one is this, x plus 2 equal to 0. So it will give me the value of x as minus 2. You know?
yeah,
And this one, if I equate x minus 4 simply as 0, then it will give me plus 4, correct? Minus 4 will
yeah,
go to this side of is equal to, it will become plus 4. है ना?
yeah,
So that's how we have calculated alpha and beta.
yeah,
Yes, write this. Okay. Now write this. I mean, first write the main question from the book. Find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. This was the question, right? Abdul Rahman? Hello?
yeah,
Hello?
yeah,
Okay, write this question. And the A part was that. I'll show you there. First, write this question from the book. And I am showing you for the A part. Okay.
yeah. I'm scored. Done.
All right. So now we have to verify the relationship, है ना? First is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta की value is minus b by a, correct? It gives
Yeah.
minus b by a, है ना? I've made you like learn this one. And alpha into beta is c by a, correct? So alpha कितना है
Yeah.
हमारा? Which was the first zero? Minus 2. Just now we have calculated, है ना? And beta was 4. So minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 कितना है हमारा? 2 आता है ना? और इधर
Yeah.
माइनस बी बाई क्या आएगा? माइनस बी. बी वॉज माइनस 2 है ना? और उसके आगे भी अपने को माइनस लगाना है. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 2. दैट मीन्स हियर आरएचएस एंड एलएचएस आर इक्वल. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप इज वेरीफाइड. करेक्ट अब्दुल? दोनों इक्वल आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
हेयर अल्फा इनटू बीटा, लेट्स सी क्या आता है. अल्फा तो हमारा 4 आया था. आई मीन अल्फा हमारा -2 आया था, राइट? बीटा हमारा 4 आया था. तो -2 इंटू 4 -8 आएगा, राइट? और सी कितना दे रखा है अपना? -8. ए कितना है? 1. -8 by 1. ये दोनों भी सेम आ गए, तो सेकेंड रिलेशनशिप इज ऑल्सो वेरीफाइड, राइट? देखो अब ये वाला पार्ट लिख
Yeah.
लो. Because we have to find out the zeros and verify the relationship as well. Okay.
The 4 down, like 4 into bracket minus 2. 4 minus 2.
Your voice is lagging.
And then you wrote 4 into bracket minus 2 is equals to -8. So does 4 get multiplied?
But your voice is lagging very much. You're not audible to me properly. थोड़ा पास आके बोलो, थोड़ा
Can you hear
जोर
me
से
now?
तेज बोलो.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
You wrote 4 into bracket minus 2. So does that get multiplied?
हाँ. Yes.
Okay. Done.
This part also written.
Yeah.
Okay. So write for B. Can you factorize this one? First, we are gonna be writing this in A, B, and C form, है ना? It is written abruptly, right? Like they haven't mentioned constant term at the end. They have written the middle term in the last, right? So firstly, we're gonna be writing it properly. 6x square minus 7x minus 3, right?
How do we know that 7 is the middle term?
Because this is the general form I've told you in the last class already. Ax square plus bx plus c. That's how we write it.
Okay.
एक्स वाली टर्म तो मिडल पे आती है ना. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट इन दिस पार्ट वी आर गोना बी फैक्टराइजिंग. इसके ऊपर अल्फा निकालने से पहले अपने को स्प्लिट द मिडल टर्म मेथड लगाना है ना.
Why 3 by 2?
हम्म.
Why do you write 3 by 2?
बच्चे this you have to not, I mean no need to write this one right now. Alpha is equal to 3 by 2. How can we calculate alpha like if we haven't factorized it, है ना. देखो यहाँ मैंने क्या किया.
Yeah.
अल्फा अल्फा मैंने यहाँ लिखा. बीच में कौन सा पार्ट है. फैक्टराइजेशन का, है ना. स्प्लिट द मिडिल टर्म
Yeah.
मेथड का. देन आई हैव अल्टीमेटली फाउंड आउट अल्फा एंड बीटा, राइट. हियर आई हैव रिटन इट डायरेक्टली, है ना. अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 3
Yeah.
by. How? Because I have factorized it. So I want you to try a factorization method by yourself now. Okay, you can take help from the previous one. So how do we have to do? 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3, that is minus 80. We have to take two terms such that after multiplying they give us minus 18. Right, Abdul Rahman?
Yeah. Can you do it
Hello.
once?
Okay. What?
Can you do it once?
I have done it already. I have like explained you as well. I am gonna be
Yeah,
giving
but
you hint for this. I am gonna be giving you hint for this, but you have to attempt it yourself only. Okay? At least this part. Else, how would you learn? And the middle term is minus 7. Okay? So give me any two numbers which after multiplying are gonna give me minus 18, and after getting added gonna give me minus 7.
2 into 9. Minus 2 into 9. 2
Very
into
good,
minus
very
9.
very good. Minus 2 into 9. उल्टा. Minus 9 into 2 है ना.
Yeah.
है ना. So that after putting in this one we get minus here as well. क्योंकि बड़े नंबर का लगता है ना
Yeah.
साइन. तो minus 9 is the big, splitting this middle term है ना into
Yeah.
minus 9x plus 2x. Yes. Rest of the things will be written as it is. ठीक है. Write it till here. Numbers तो you have figured out. Write it in split the middle term form. ऐसे लिखो. देखो जैसे मैंने इसको लिखा. दो फैक्टर्स निकालने के बाद, ये दोनों नंबर निकालने के बाद ऐसे लिखा ना. माइनस 4x प्लस 2x. वैसे ही माइनस 7 आप लिखो. माइनस 7x को स्प्लिट करके लिख दो. माइनस 9x प्लस 2x, राइट.
Yeah.
Written, Abdul Rahman.
No, no.
Write it fast and tell me.
Ma'am, how do I write after this? Like x, I wrote x square is equals to 9x plus 2x. My minus 18 is equals to 0. Then x bracket x minus 9 plus 2 bracket x minus 9 is equal to 0. So what do you write
Yes,
after
I
that?
am writing. Tell me if I am writing it correctly or not. Tally it side by side, okay? So first I have
Yeah.
to write the original polynomial in this form, है ना?
Yeah. So x square is equals to 9x plus 2x
So
minus 90
6x
minus 18 is equals to 0.
is 6x square minus 9x
Minus 18.
is equal to 0. ये वाला ठीक है अब्दुल? ऐसे लिखेंगे पहले तो. Now,
Minus
next
3.
step is taking
No,
common.
I wrote minus 18 is equals
Why?
to 0.
Why? -18 तो यहाँ होता है ना, AC जब हम लिखते हैं और यहाँ B लिखते हैं, ये तो बस फैक्टर निकालने का है. आफ्टर दैट यहाँ तो कोई रोल नहीं है इसका. ठीक है, यहाँ रोल किसका है? इन दोनों नंबर्स का, विच वी हैव फिगर्ड आउट जस्ट नाउ. ओके,
Yeah.
ठीक है, तभी आई वांटेड यू टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके, अब समझ आया? नाउ आफ्टर दैट व्हाट एम आई गोना डू,
Yeah.
व्हाट एम आई गोना डू? अब कॉमन निकालते हैं, इसका कॉमन निकालो. दोनों 3 के टेबल में आते हैं, दोनों के पास एक एक एक्स है ना?
Yeah.
निकालो, कॉमन निकाल के लिखो इसका.
So 2x
3 बाहर
and
निकाल लिया,
2x
एक्स बाहर निकाल लिया, ये आएगा 2x माइनस.
3.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. प्लस प्लस, इन दोनों में कुछ कॉमन
No.
है ना? कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. तो जिस केस में कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होता, तब हम किसको बाहर निकालते हैं? सिर्फ 1, सो दैट ये पूरी चीज वापस आ जाए. मैम इस पूरी चीज को वापस लाने का फायदा ही क्या? ऐसे भी तो लिख सकते थे, डायरेक्टली भी तो लिख सकते थे. हमने 1 निकाले क्यों कॉमन, जब उन दोनों में कुछ कॉमन है ही नहीं, सो दैट ये दोनों चीजें हमें सेम सेम दिख जाए. ये देखो, इसके पास भी 2x-3 आ गया, इसके पास भी 2x-3 इज देयर, राइट अब्दुल रहमान?
Yeah.
है ना? तो अब मैं लिख सकती हूँ, समझ जाओ, इफ दीज टू ब्रैकेट्स आर कमिंग सेम ना, दैट मींस यू आर सॉल्विंग इट करेक्टली. ठीक है, दिस इज द ट्रिक टू फिगर आउट. 2x-3,
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट इज 3x+1. अब बच्चे सेपरेटली दोनों को इक्वल टू 0 कर दो, और अल्फा बीटा बताओ मुझे कैसे कैसे है. 3x+1 इज इक्वल टू 0 करो, 2x-3 इज इक्वल टू 0 करो, फिर दोनों में x की वैल्यू बताओ.
Um, uh, so 3x plus 1 minus 0 becomes 3.
रॉन्ग. 3x+1
Then how?
is equal to 0. 3x+1 is equal to 0. What will it give you for the value of x?
3. 4.
No. ठीक है, दूसरे वाले का निकालो. एटलीस्ट दूसरे वाले का तो बताओ मुझे.
2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So minus
Yes, take care of the signs while transposing here and there.
three by 2.
Hmm?
3 by 2.
Yes, good. ठीक है, so अल्फा बीटा कर लिया, यहाँ तक लिख लिया आपने, everything you have written.
Yeah.
Factorization वाला part, taking common, then finding alpha and beta.
Yeah.
Okay, now write it from here. Up we have figured out alpha and beta. Now we can verify the relationship of the sum of zeros and of the product of zeros.
Yeah. How will we know which is alpha and which is beta?
We can consider anyone, ठीक है, जो सबसे पहले निकाल लिया उसे अल्फा बोल दो, बाद में निकाला बीटा बोल दो. You can interchange them as well. That won't be an issue. Okay.
Yeah. आवाज कम करो, आवाज कम करो बोलो. Ma'am, why does it become 7?
Which one? बच्चे B क्या है? देखो,
Oh,
7 नहीं है,
it's nice.
है ना, माइनस माइनस प्लस तो
Then
प्लस 7. A कितना है? 6 है, तो 7/6.
down instead it's 9. It's 9 plus minus 2.
9 प्लस माइनस 2 क्या होता है? 7 ही तो होता है.
No, why 9?
हाँ
9 क्यों आया?
बेटा, एलसीएम लेके 2 और 3 का एलसीएम लो, 6 आता है. इसका एलसीएम लो, 3 आता है. फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करना नहीं आता आपको?
You
हम्म.
have to cross multiply.
हाँ, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. एग्जैक्टली. 3 3 जा 9, 2 1 जा -2 और 2 3 जा 6. ऐसे करके भी निकाल सकते हो. ठीक है, वही है, वही किया है मैंने इधर.
Okay. Done.
नाउ राइट दिस वन. मैम इसमें तो कांस्टेंट टर्म है ही नहीं, ए और बी है बस, राइट. तो हम कांस्टेंट टर्म क्या लेंगे? 0. ओके. और ये तो और डायरेक्टली हो जाएगा, इसमें तो हमें फैक्टराइजेशन करना भी नहीं पड़ेगा. इसमें तो हम दोनों में से बस 4u कॉमन ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि दोनों के पास u है. एक एक u तो है एटलीस्ट, और दोनों 4 के टेबल में आते हैं. करेक्ट. दिस वन इज इवन मोर डायरेक्ट. राइट इट आउट.
We can explain this once again.
Hmm?
Can you explain this one?
Have you written this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. क्या एक समझ नहीं आया मुझे, ये बता दो बस.
Just go through once, like what you're
इसमें
doing there.
इसमें आई हैव टेकन कॉमन. ओके. सो अब मैं इसको एक जीरो कंसिडर करूंगी और इसको एक जीरो कंसिडर करूंगी. ओके. 4u is equal to 0. U plus t will be equal to 0. So u will give me minus 2. And here I'll be get 0 upon 4, which is already 0. So alpha and beta I have figured out, right?
Yeah,
Here, here, why didn't I apply middle term splitting method and why did I directly jump up to the taking common wala? क्योंकि there was no constant term, है ना? So that means we can do it directly. Okay,
yeah.
that is it. After that, I have verified. All right.
Okay,
This part is also of the this only. Alpha into beta is equal to c by. Okay, write it.
done.
And you have to write fourth part. T square minus 15 is equal to 0. ठीक है. सो इधर तो हम सिंपली कर ही सकते हैं. इस साइड हो जाएगा -15 विल गो टू दिस साइड ऑफ इज इक्वल टू, सो इट विल बिकम +15. अब देखो दोनों साइड स्क्वायर था, तो अगर मैं रूट लगा दूंगी तो फिर टी की वैल्यू आ जाएगी मेरे पास. एक आएगा +√15, एक आएगा -√15. इधर भी मुझे मिडल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, है ना? राइट अब्दुल रहमान? क्योंकि
Yeah,
ये भी डायरेक्ट था और एक टर्म मिसिंग थी तो हमने डायरेक्ट कर दिया.
Done.
ठीक है, इसके जीरोस वेरीफाई कर सकते हो, ट्राई
Bit
करो।
sure.
अल्फा, ठीक है, अल्फा प्लस बीटा ऐड करके इज इक्वल टू बी बाय माइनस बी बाय अल्फा इंटू बीटा सी बाय, करके दिखाओ मुझे इसका, वेरीफाई करो दोनों रिलेशनशिप। अल्फा ये आ गया √15, बीटा ये हो गया -√15, है ना।
Is it -15/1?
क्या,
Is it -15/1?
फॉर व्हाट।
For p is equals to √15.
अल्फा प्लस बीटा पे कितना आया बताओ, और अल्फा
Alpha
इंटू
plus
बीटा
beta
पे
is,
कितना आया। दिस वन इज बी बाय ए, दिस वन इज सी बाय, है ना। अल्फा है रूट
yeah,
फिफ्टीन, दिस वन
yeah,
इज -√15।
equals to
और
-15/e.
बी कितना है, बी कितना है, बी तो है ही नहीं इसके पास, तो 0
Yeah,
अपॉन 1। ये कितना आएगा, अल्फा कौन है 15 इंटू -√15। सी कितना है, कांस्टेंट टर्म 15 -15, करेक्ट, अपॉन 1
yeah,
देखते हैं। √15 इंटू √15, दोनों रूट हट जाएंगे तो -15 आता है, और ये भी, तो दोनों सेम हो गए। LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS, इधर प्लस ये सेम नंबर अगर प्लस माइनस में हो तो 0 ही तो देते हैं, ये भी वेरीफाई हो गया।